Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we're pinning colors. Persian blue color. Persian blue color. The next one is coral red color. Stay with us. Wow, so many colors. Kids, the next one is emerald green color. Rose beige color. And the next one is cream color. Cream color. Kids, the next one is lavender color. Stay with us. The next one is mint blue color. Mint blue color. Wow. The next one is vivid green color. Vivid green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, the next one is black color. Black color. Black color. Yes, now we open scarlet color. Scarlet color. And the next one is warm gray color. The last one is forest green color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now start writing alphabets A to Z. First we're using the color of, yes, forest green color A. The next one is B. C for cow, C for cat. Coral red color. Yes, D. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Lavender color. Yes, G for goat. H, I. J for jackfruit. Raw silk color. Yes, K, L, M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Yes, black color. O, P, Q for queen. Mint blue color. R, S, T. Coral red color. U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. Yes, forest green color. Forest green color. Kids, the next one is baby blue color. Stay with us. The next one is light violet color. Light violet color. Yellow color. Yellow color, yes. Kids, the next one is warm gray color. So many colors. Black color. Black color. The next one is pale pink color. Pale pink color. Wow, cool gray color. Stay with us. The next one is scarlet color. Scarlet color, scarlet color. The next one is deep olive green color. Deep olive green color. Yes, pale blue light color. So many colors. Geranium color, geranium color. And the next one is yellow green color. The next one is pastel pink color. Pastel pink color. And the last one is cream color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now start writing alphabets. First we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we're writing the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. E. F. F for fish, F for fan. F for fish. G for goat. Yes. H for hand. I. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lemon. Yes, L for lemon. M for mango. M for moon. N for nose, N for nest. So kids, now we're using the color of yellow. O for octopus. P for penguin. And Q for queen. Yes. And the last one is I. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First opening colors. Yes, dark green color. And the next one is red color. Blue color. Blue color. Orange color. Orange color. Silver color. Stay with us. Silver color. Brown color. Kids, the next one is dark pink color. Yes, black color. Black color. So many colors. Light pink color. Persian blue color. Stay with us. Persian blue color. Sky blue color. Yes, yellow color, yellow color, light green color, white color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now start writing alphabets. First we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, F for ant. Stay with us. A, B, C, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan, G for God, H for hand, H, I for eyes, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, K for kangaroo. Yes, L for lemon, M for moon, N for nose, N for nest, silver color. Now we're writing the alphabet of O. P, Q, R for rose, R for rice, black color, S, T, U for umbrella, and the next one is V. V for van, V for vanilla. Now we're writing the alphabet of W. W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets. Stay with us. First we are opening colors. Yes, brown color, yellow color, yellow color. Stay with us. Sky blue color, orange color, white color, yes, dark green color, red color. Stay with us. Blue color, blue color. Wow, so many colors. Kids, the next one is Persian blue color, Persian blue color, light pink color, yes, green color, and the next one is black color, dark pink color, dark pink color. The last one is silver color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, and the last one is R. Now start writing alphabets. First we're writing the alphabet of A, and now we're using the color of sky blue. A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, C for cow, C for cat. Now we're using the color of dark pink color. D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. The next one is G. Red color. Wow, so many colors. G for God, H for hand, I for ice, A for ice cream, J for jackfruit, J for joker. Yellow color. K for kite, L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Yes, now we're using the color of light green color. N, O, the next one is P, Q, and the last one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.